Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and my greetings to all. As you have already understood by the video title, the content of today's video is Virat Kohli. All about Virat Kohli. Oof, finally, the wait is over. Almost 3 years after 1021 days, long time. Virat Kohli gets his 71st international century. What a player. What a great day for Virat Kohli. We can learn one thing from it. Success takes time. Virat Kohli becomes the first player to score a century in the T20 Asia Cup 2022. Congratulations to Virat Kohli for his maiden T20 I century. Congratulations for his fourth Asia Cup century. And obviously, this is the highest individual score for any Indian player. Virat Kohli has scored unbeaten 122 runs of just 61 deliveries with a good healthy strike rate of 200. Before getting this century, Virat Kohli had never ever scored an international T20 century. Today, he gets his first century in T20 international cricket after getting a trademark salute celebration of our Bangladeshi bowler Ebadawat. Take care. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.